All right, it's 3 o'clock. I'm back from my appointment with my financial advisor, and he said it's okay to stay alive for a few more years. The mystery of these locking tabs is solved. Bright-eyed channel follower said they go right here. These are studs now. They go all the way to the engine rather than the bolts that I was remembering from the non-Mark III models. So these go on here. So that's cool. I can do that. That's no problem. But, oh my gosh, I feel totally incompetent. Somebody said, Frank, there's supposed to be a anti-drain down washer right in here, piston right in here. Is it not there? And no, it's not there. And I took this whole thing apart, cleaned it all, put it back on, and never even remembered it's a 75. There's supposed to be a piston and a spring in here. So I get to take it off again. I get to order the parts and then take it off again. Sigh. Well, that one's on me. So that's a no charge disassembly, reassembly. So I'll list that part and see if we can get it on order. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, sometimes you just do stupid stuff. And I have been known to do that. So anyway, thank you followers for noticing things like this. People watching the channel, you are incredible and I do appreciate your commentary. Bye.